Ganun pala yun. Now I know. Katuga. Matagal na bang word yun? KV, hello. Ano namang ibig sabihin niyang Rav? Or Vara? Batusay, hello. Ano ibig sabihin ng Rav? Almond. Kakaiba yung mga pangalan nyo. Hello, mama. Yeah, it's from Canto in Tondo. Kanto sa Tondo? Rav? 7. Hello, Lucky 7. Or a group in Tondo. Yan ba yung mga nagsasayaw nung Pit Senyor? Di ba may nag-trending na yung mga nag-gym? Kabilang ka ba dun? Yung Willie, ano ba yun? Willie's Gym. Reiko. Mga A. Hola, hello. Pinapanood mo? Anong pinapanood ko? Wala akong pinapanood. Thank you for the follow, guys. Nawala na si Katuga. Yung nag-gym. Nakikita ko lang sa newsfeed. Viper. Yun lang yung nakita ko. Habibi, hello. Taga-Tondo ka ba? Rav? Rav? Bakit wala kang fina-follow? Hi, Links. Ronin, hello. Mananatili sa'yo lamang. Yeah, I live in Tondo before. But now, where are you now? Daddy Ronsky, hello. Canadian boy, shall we? Where are you now? I move in Cavite. Can you follow me, miss? Yeah, sure, Canadian boy. You didn't follow me. Follow me first so that I will follow you. To my grandma. Okay. So you have a children na? Hi, kind. You didn't follow me yet. Canadian boy. How can I follow you? Ano daw? Hi, Bam. Hi, Paul. I am yours. Hello. Hi, Papa Faith. Yep, I have a 2 pretty daughter. Si Saryando. Hindi ko mabasa. Musta na? Okay lang. Same as my look. I am also pretty. Sanjay. Boss Ben, hello. Okay lang, Papa Faith. Ngayon na nga lang ulit nakapag-live eh. Ang sakit kasi ng likod ko. Ayun, pumutok yung daliri ko. Yes, it is same like you. Badang. So, you have a wife? How are you and your wife? ID number. Hello. Kyle, Brian, shall we? Televol. No wife? Why? What happened? Why you have no wife? Malik! Is she passed away or she go with another man? Sandy! Hi, Batusay. Wanderer, hello. Carlo. Just a kids, that's it. I see. But are you a Filipino? Zandy, thank you for the follow. Are you a Filipino? Hi, Marcos. ID number. Or, a foreigner. You do? Why you speak in English? And you speak in Tagalog? Ashley, hello. Humpy Dumpy. You're a pure. Pure. You're a pure Filipino. Ay, Humpy Dumpy. So, why do you Viper. Why do you speak in English? Yan, ganyan na lang. Viper, hello. Kumusta ka, ganda? Okay lang. Okay lang. Ito, di pa naliligo. Morning, handsome. Jaguar! To si Jaguar, ano nangyari sa'yo?